Welcome, Class 8, Computer Science. Myself, Sujata VG. In this session, we will discuss about networking. What is networking? Networking means two or more computers that are linked or connected in order to share resources such as printers, scanners, and CDs, exchange files, etc. The computers on a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, satellites, etc. Advantages of networking. File sharing and resource sharing. All computers in a network can share the files and share resources like printers, modem, and scanner. Easy communication. Computer network allow people to communicate through email and instant messaging. This makes the transmission of information easier, more efficient, and less expensive. We can easily access the files stored on various computers on a network with permission. So, networking allows many people to work simultaneously on the data stored in a database. Security. We can also set a password and keep our computers secure and private. Now we'll discuss about the types of network. PAN is personal area network, LAN, local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, and WAN is wide area network. Personal area network. A personal area network is formed when two or more computers or cell phones interconnect to one another wirelessly over a short range, typically less than about 30 feet. One example for personal area network is Bluetooth. Local area network. The local area network is a network which is designed to operate over a small physical area such as an office, factory, or a group of buildings up to a few kilometers in size. Local area networks are very widely used in a variety of computers to share resources. Example, printers, scanners, and exchange information. One example is in a school, the computers connected in a computer lab. Metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network is a network with a size greater than local area network but smaller than wide area network. It normally comprises networked interconnections within a city that also offers a connection to the internet. One example of metropolitan area network is cable TV network. Wide area network. A wide area network is a network that exists over a large scale geographical area. A wide area network connects different smaller networks, including local area network and metropolitan area network. This ensures that computers and users in one location can communicate with computers and users in other locations. Example is internet, that is interconnected network of computers worldwide. Next session, we will learn about further topics related to networking and other concepts.